I promise this is the best non-fried chicken I have ever tasted. Moist, crispy, and healthy. Watch this video and you're going to learn how simple it is. Bon appetit. Well, today guys, a real surprise. Mama Mable's little girl. That would be my sister, Martha Johnson. Not Martha Stewart, Martha Johnson, but she could be Martha Stewart. She's in town, and we got one of Mom's old recipes. So I'd like to introduce my sister, Martha Johnson here. How you doing, precious?
All right.
And today, what are we gonna do?
We are gonna do Mama Mable's cast iron chicken.
And it's so moist, and honestly guys, when you do a chicken on the grill or something, it always comes out too dry. Everybody's worried about that tricked up gnosis stuff that you can get from chicken that's not cooked too well.
Nobody likes raw chicken.
You're right. Well, anyway, was Mom a good cook?
She was the best cook.
Well, I have to show you something. Several years ago, Dad sent me Mom's recipes. And these are just some of her precious recipes right here. Look at all these precious recipes that Mom had. And this is just a few of them. And she clipped a lot of things out of papers, wrote a lot of things down, and everything else. So that's a legacy, and we need to pass this on to our kids. You remember this? 2-part sunshine, and these are some of your recipes. Most of them I think you copied from Mom, didn't you?
A lot of Moms are in there, that's right.
Oh, this is great. So, all right. Let's check them out and see what we got.
Are those beautiful?
Gorgeous.
Okay, the temp, Bubba, is there. The temp is at 160.
So you're gonna put a tent on them now?
I'm going to temp them.
Tent them. T-E-N-T, tent.
Temp them. You tell me when we're ready for the sauce, Bubba.
We're ready to make sauce right now.
Okay, Bubba. Mom was good at sauces. And that added a whole lot of flavor to whatever she was cooking. She was very good, ahead of her time with the sauces. Sauces are important. Today we're gonna make one. Basically it's gonna be leeks with a little chicken broth, a little wine, a little Dijon.
Mom put wine in there?
You know, did you see those bottles underneath those cabinets?
I never saw those.
You know, she was a teetotaler, kind of.
Sort of.
But now we're going to just cut this very thin as we can, and we're gonna saute these leeks in that rendered chicken fat.
So now, put the leeks in.
Yes.
Okay.
And see all that good stuff on the bottom of the skillet?
So we're gonna put those leeks on this Dale Evans chicken.
Dale Evans, that's Roy Rogers' wife. This is Belle and Evans.
Oh, okay. Well, I thought that was a little unusual. Yeah, I got it.
Cornstarch.
Cornstarch, please.
All right. Would you please quickly get me the chicken broth?
Chicken broth, yes ma'am.
Slowly add that. Okay.
Smelling good.
Smelling good? Okay, we can finish that, and then we can go for the wine. Did they have fine wine in Anadarko?
No. Okay. How much?
Oh, a half a cup. So that'd be half that bottle. Okay?
There you go.
We'll bring it to a boil, let it render down. We're going to taste it. It might need some salt and pepper. Okay.
Let's do a little taste test here.
Let's do. I'm going to let you be the judge.
Need a little salt?
A little salt.
A little pepper.
Okay. Okay.
So, 2 tablespoons of butter.
Let's turn the off.
Right.
Yes.
And how much?
A teaspoon.
A teaspoon of this
yes.
mustard.
Yes.
About a teaspoon, wouldn't you say?
There you go. There you go.
Right.
Great sauce.
Look at these beautiful chicken breasts right here. Are those gorgeous?
We did it, Bubba. We are so good.
Now, so we're gonna cut this chicken deal right like that.
Right.
Turn it over.
Oh,
look at that beautiful piece of meat.
That is going to be beautiful. How's that with the sauce?
That's good.
Isn't it good?
Oh, man, that is juicy. I mean, that's 1,000 times better than on that Viking grill out there. You don't know is it done, not done. This is chicken. Let's add nice salad, some rice. So now we're going to put just a little of this wonderful sauce on the chicken.
Yes.
A lot on the rice.
Yes.
And here we have it.
Our beautiful lunch today,
Sweet
Bubba.
sister, look at that. Mama Mable's cast iron skillet chicken right there,
Yes.
sister. There it is. Yum, yum. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Well, that's it for today, but you know what we always say?
Yes, I know what you always say.
What's that?
A clean kitchen is a happy kitchen.
And this is a very happy kitchen.
Very happy.
Adios, yum, yum, and see you next time. Thanks for coming,
Bon
sister.
appetit. Okay.
All right. You don't kiss your sister on the lips. That's against the rules. Okay. Okay.